Hello schoolBic users, I'm Amber. We understand how tedious it is to manage your institution income in order to have a proper accounting of all income in your institution. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to configure your school management income module for proper income accounting and management in your institution. First of all, log into the super admin portal of your school management system. By default, only the system super admin can configure the expenses module in your school management system. Navigate to the income module. First of all, you would need to categorize your income. This would enable your accountant to record income under a category. Click the Add Income Category button, enter the category title and its descriptions, then click the Add Income Category button to save your category. Also, remember to add different categories and don't forget to add the Others category. In case a category of income doesn't match any of the categories you have created, so your accountant can record the income under the Other category. In the next section of this tutorial video, I will show you how the school accountant can record income from the school accountant portal. Alright, we are logged into our demo school accountant portal. Next, navigate to the income module. Take note, by the default setting of your school management software, your school accountant will not have access to the income category feature, and also will not be able to delete income he or she has recorded. To avoid any fraudulent activities, only the system super admin can delete an income recorded. To take a record of income, simply click the Add Income button and enter the income title, the amount of the income, the date the income was made, select the category the income falls into and enter a note about the income. You can also upload a file like receipt of payment or other file types. Then click the Add Income button to record your income. School accountant will be able to see the total amount of all the income amount recorded from here. In the next section of this tutorial video, I will show you how the super admin can edit income recorded, generate a report of income recorded, print out income, export income via Excel file or PDF file, and many more. So we are logged in to the super admin portal of our demo school management system. To edit an income recorded, simply go to the income module and click the edit button next to the income you want to edit. Apply your edit and click the edit income button to save the changes. Like I earlier said, only the super admin can edit an income based on the default setting. To generate reports of income recorded, go to the Reports module and click on the Income Reports feature. Then select from which date to which date you'd like to generate the income report. Then click the Income Report button to generate the income report for the date range. From here you can see the list of all income report for the search date. Click the Export button to export your income report to Excel file or PDF file. And to print out your income report to your computer, simply click the Print button and it will be printed out. With schoolBic, school management software, it's really easy and highly secure to record every income made in your institution without any fuss. Please check out other of our tutorial videos to learn more about schoolBic. Meanwhile, what are you waiting for? Start using schoolBic school management software to have a proper income recording for your institution today.